Hamann and Benson, a vision for your future.
Hello and welcome in Impact Strategic. In today's show, we will talk about 3D printing and the future of global supply chains, carbon capture and storage industry, a giant co-living company, and brain scans. We'll start right now.
Hamann and Benson, a vision for your future.
The use of 3D printing could have implications for the shape of global supply chains in the future. Curio, a manufacturing facility in Iceland, uses 3D printing to produce parts for fish processing machines. The company's founder says that the machine would be difficult or impossible to produce without 3D printing. 3D printing or additive manufacturing involves adding tiny layers of material to form an object and fusing them together. This technology is becoming widely used in the manufacturing industry with companies like General Motors, BMW and Mercury Marine using 3D printed parts in their products. 3D printing is also being used to create molds for casting metal parts like engine blocks instead of using traditional machining methods. The technology has become more advanced and can now produce objects that are strong enough for finished products.
Hamann and Benson, a vision for your future.
Climeworks has successfully captured carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and stored it underground, providing a viable business model to kickstart a new industry. Climeworks uses a process called direct air capture, which removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and stores it in underground for thousands of years. The company makes money by removing carbon on behalf of businesses that can claim to be carbon neutral. Microsoft, Shopify and Stripe have prepaid or agreed to pay hundreds of dollars per credit, each of which represents 1 metric ton of carbon removed. Climeworks operates one of the world's only operational direct air capture plants in Iceland, which is capable of removing about 4,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide a year. Occidental Petroleum is also developing its own direct air capture strategy, aiming to increase the number of plant facilities to 100 by 2035. Airbus has also committed to buying several 100,000 carbon credits from Climeworks to offset the emissions caused by its supply chain and operation. The process promises to store the carbon in the earth for thousands of years. The companies are willing to pay more to help jumpstart the industry, hoping that costs decline rapidly. Scientists estimate that billions of metric tons a year need to be removed annually by mid-century to avoid the worst effects of global warming.
Hamann and Benson, a vision for your future.
New York-based co-living company Hamann and Berlin-based co-living company Habit are merging to create one of the world's largest providers of shared apartments for young professionals. The combined company will be based in Berlin and be called Habit Group, with Habit co-founder Luca Boyan serving as CEO. The merger comes as demand for co-living apartments has rebounded, with occupancy rates around 90% in the US and rents about 10% above 2019 levels. The merger will allow the companies to keep costs down and appeal to more customers, as neither company is currently profitable. The company plans to expand beyond co-living and manage all kinds of properties for all ages using the same technology, process, and relationships with landlords.
Hamann and Benson. A vision for your future.
Brainomics, a company based in Oxford, has developed an AI system called Brainomics X-Stroke that can accurately and quickly interpret brain scans. Brainomics X-Stroke is an AI-assisted imaging platform that can reduce diagnosis time by over an hour and aid in selecting the appropriate treatment. The system is designed to help patients get the right treatments in the right place at the right time. The system is currently used in 11 national health service, stroke networks, and more than 330 hospitals worldwide, and is described as a way to harness the potential of AI to help expert staff deliver life-changing care. In the UK, 85,000 people have a stroke each year, and the system has been shown to increase the proportion of stroke victims who are able to resume their daily activities from 16 to 48%.
Hamann and Benson. A vision for your future.
That's the end for today. Thank you for listening to us, and we will show run very soon. Bye bye.